What is up, y'all? I'm back. I went and did my makeup and now I'm about to curl the hair. So what I'm gonna do, oh wait, let's just look at the melt real quick. Hold on, let's really just look at the melt. Yeah, so I'm like that. So anyway, I'm gonna be going in with my Brazilian therapy, what is this, Brazilian keratin therapy flat iron spray, and I'm just gonna spray that on the hair like that. I'm just gonna brush it out. Cool. Cool. So cause girl, really melted. I'm just going back in real quick and I'm making sure that everything is laying as flat as I want it to. Like flat, we're talking flat, okay? So I'm going back in. I am just gonna go ahead and show y'all. Why my clapping so hard? I'm about to just go in and show y'all what I do. And honestly, I'm not a professional curler, okay? I be messing up, but I work in sections, as you can see. I don't like to work in too big of a section. Like about that is good. I'm just gonna clip this back, and then this is the Conair. I'll link it down below. It's a Conair. I think it's like 1 1/4 inch barrel. We're just gonna begin curling. Last drop. Sorry, I'm watching The Good Girls. If you have not watched it, you need to watch it because it's OD good. Okay, cool. Anyways, we're using the goat. You already know. You literally already know. I've been having to hold it this way, like upside down. Okay, yeah. I think I'm dragging. Okay. That might have looked like a lot, but there was really nothing coming out, so yeah. Anyway, we're gonna use these duckbill clips to just pin curl. So that was the first one. I'm just gonna go through and curl the rest of the hair, and it's pretty self-explanatory. curled up. So we're gonna comb out the curls because nobody is actually going out like this. Nobody. So we're just gonna go ahead and comb them out. To go ahead and put some oil in the hair. So I'm gonna be using some cheese silk infusion. Ooh, that's a lot. Sorry y'all, I did the most. So I'm just recurling the front pieces because honestly that first curl is just like kind of like my rough draft. Hey guys, so this is the final look. This is the completed look. I done just did so much. I think it was really puffy because I worked on freshly blow dried hair and I didn't like straighten the hair before I curled it. So that's why it was giving body yaddy yaddy when I wasn't expecting it to give that much body. But honestly, I think it's really cute. This is how I get my little curls. And I started layering my hair. I didn't show you guys that process because like I'm not a pro. I don't want to steer y'all in the wrong direction. So when I get my bearings more with layering, I would definitely show you guys. But yes, y'all, this is the completed look. You'll see me. Yes, this is the completed look. I love this hair. This hair is literally tried and true. Asteria Hair, girl, it's that business. Like, you're gonna get some good quality hair messing with them. I've had this hair since October. This specific wig, I've had it since October. I've been wearing it since my birthday and I literally love this hair. I've been ordering from them for years. Literally, I've never gotten one bad batch of hair from them ever. And let's talk lace. Yeah, that's what they're giving. You can pick up what I'm putting down. Let's talk lace, okay? All right, yeah. So lace, bomb, very easy to melt, very nice density. Like, it's really giving body. Like I said, this is a 13x6 frontal, so you get parting all the way to the back of your head, which obviously, look, do you see that? Like, this hair is just everything, literally. I don't get crazy shedding. I mean, all hair sheds. It is body wave hair, so you are gonna get shedding here and there when you wash it and stuff like that, when you detangle it, but it's nothing like that's gonna make you see a difference in the thickness of the hair. Like, I haven't noticed anything like that. So y'all, I love this hair. You know, Asteria Hair, I love you. I love you because y'all do not play. I've never gotten any bad hair from them. So my favorite hair company of all time literally is Asteria Hair. I paid, how much did I pay for this wig? Hold on. Y'all know I love to write stuff down. I found the specs on the hair. So this is a 26-inch body wave wig, 13x6 frontal, 180% density. Now, I paid $290 for this wig and 93 cents back in like August. I bought it like so early before my birthday because I was mad thirsty to get this wig, honestly. From the time that I wrote these notes, the wig is $361, but I say get it. That's not even that much. You need to get the wig. If I needed to replace this wig, like when it gets time that this wig is like on its last legs, I will be right back in line to get another one because everybody needs that bust down middle part black long wig. We all need it. It's literally a staple. So what's not clicking? You need to get the wig. Like, you need to get the wig. Luster, bomb. Density, bomb. Shipping, fast. Everything lit. Like, everything is lit with Asteria Hair. I'm sorry. This is not sponsored, obviously, because I told y'all I spent my own money on it and I would do it again. This hair is bomb. That's how I'm literally gonna be. Yeah, like all of that. I'm acting a fool because guess what? I have my nails done. I did my nails yeah, so I wanted my nails to match my jacket, and I think I did a good job. Like, so good. I have my nails done, I have my hair done, my makeup is done. I'm acting a fool. And who's gonna check me, huh? Oh, right, yeah. If there's anything you guys want to see, if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, please be sure to leave a comment and let me know. Like, and oh, and if you didn't like and comment and subscribe, what are you doing? I don't get it. Do that. Make sure you do that. Let me know if you guys are going to be shopping with Asteria Hair. Let me know, because y'all need to. If you're planning on getting something, let me know, like, what's the looks for the springtime? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about what's the looks. What are we giving? Like, what are some styles that y'all are ready to do? Like, let me know. Let's talk about it. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.